Assalamu alaikum everyone. So for the last few months I've been thinking about one question. If I had to do AS or A2 mathematics all over again, how would I actually want to learn it? Because honestly, I don't think the way most students study mathematics today makes much sense. You attend a class, you go home, you forget half of what happened, then you open YouTube, you watch another lecture, then another, then another. Eventually, now you're spending more time searching for the right channel to subscribe than actually learn mathematics. I don't want that for my students. So, after a lot of thought, I've decided to redesign the entire learning experience. Starting 1st August, admissions are actually open for our Cambridge AS and A level mathematics program. Whether you are starting AS after O levels, moving from AS to A2, or just preparing for a composite examination, this program has been designed specifically for you. Now, let me tell you something that might surprise you. These are not traditional tuition classes, they're built around what's called a flipped classroom, which simply means before every live class, you'll watch a carefully recorded lecture at your own pace. Pause it, replay it, take notes, think, come prepared. Then, when we meet live, I'm not spending 90 minutes writing definitions on the board. We're quickly recapping the difficult or new areas of the topic, and right away, we move on to the next stage, that is, we are solving the difficult questions. Talking about examiner thinking, clearing misconceptions, and making sure you actually understand what's happening. That is where real learning begins, and the 90-minute class turns into a whole week of learning. And after every class, you'll complete homework from a Cambridge endorsed textbook. You'll sit topical assessments. Every live class will be recorded. Every lecture stays in the archive. And after we finish the syllabus, we spend 3 full months doing nothing but aggressive Cambridge past paper practice with teaching assistant support. Because that's where grades are earned. This model has been adopted by the most prestigious institutes like Harvard and many other top-ranked global universities, and endorsed for contemporary learning by the US Department of Education as well. Now, many students and parents ask me, why is this only rupees 25,000 for each component? Honestly, because I want math to become accessible. If I changed what many premium programs charge, a lot of students simply wouldn't be able to join. So, we've subsidized it. The only thing I ask in return is commitment. If someone keeps missing classes without informing us, they lose their place, because this program is for students who genuinely want to work. And yes, I'll be teaching the classes myself. I've been teaching math for more than 15 years now. I'm a bi-major in math and economics from IBA, but much more importantly, I've spent more than a decade learning where Cambridge students lose marks, not because they're weak, but because they are not showed how Cambridge actually wants them to think. That's what I want to change. And one more thing, as far as I know, this is probably one of the most affordable premium Cambridge math programs in Pakistan, not because it's cheap, but because we have stripped away everything unnecessary and invested in what actually improves learning. If you're joining AS this year, if you're moving into A2, or if you're planning a composite, or if you're studying Edexcel math, I'd love to have you with us. Admissions are now open. You can visit the registration link or WhatsApp or DM us or Instagram. I'll see you guys on the 1st of August in class.